guys, welcome back to the Nico Brothers. We just picked up a new build for the channel, guys. It's a 2016 Ford Focus ST, and check it out, it is nice. As you can see, it's got a little bit of door damage, fender damage, suspension damage, but other than that, it's not that bad. But this car has a little bit of aftermarket parts done to it. It's got an intake, it's got an exhaust, it looks like it's got a Cobb tuner on it. There is a little bit of airbag damage. The seat belts are locked up, the knee airbag deployed, the driver's wheel is good, the dash is good, the seats are good, so not too bad. Alright guys, we're actually not going to do the frame on this car. We just have the Mustangs we're working on right now. That's just going to take a little bit of time, so we called our local frame guy. He can do it. So we're going to load it up on the trailer and bring it to him. The day we bought the Focus, we called the junkyard and we ordered the parts for it so we can do the process a little bit faster. So we got a door, and then we got the door frame from them and a fender. So we're gonna give all this to the frame guy. Alright guys, we got the car unloaded. So if you guys like this video, give us a like, give us a comment, and we'll see you guys on the next one.